How to build a login page in Framer. In this video, I'll show you how to build a simple and functional login page in Framer.
So to get started, while Framer is mostly used for landing pages and portfolios, you can also build functional login screens for web apps or gated content. You can start by creating a new page and then add a headline that says "Welcome back" or "Login to continue." Then drag in two input fields, one for email and then one for password. You can style them in rounded corners and subtle shadows to give it a modern look. Now to add these fields, you can do so by clicking on this assets and then click on frame. Now once you click on frame, just drag and then draw a shape however you want and then set it to this to absolute the position so you can move it around like this. You can move it around like that because if you set it to relative, you won't be able to move it around and it would just stick to whatever shape it can stick to. Now I'm going to delete this just because I already have a set frames for these. Now what you're going to do next is you're going to input a login button. To do this, you can just again go into this frames or layout button and then again just draw another frame and then add a text by clicking on this text and then you can just simply drag it over here. Now to give it or to make it so much easier for you to create landing or login pages, you can simply click on this insert button and you will be able to see here several pages or several sections that can serve or that can work as your login page. For example, you can drag over this contact form and then it will easily you can easily just substitute text right here, like you can change this into "welcome back" just like so, and then you can simply rename all of these fields and then it can work as your login field already. But if you can also have another option. Again, just go into this insert section and then you can go into forms section right below the elements right here and then click on this form builder. Now once you find this form builder, just simply drag it over to your page just like so, and then you will be able to resize this and it can work as your login field already. Just change the texts and you are all done. And that is it. That's how you build a login page in Framer.